Ladies and gentlemen, night is falling and it will get very dark. Please stay where you are and listen and watch as the stars come out. When dinosaurs looked up at night, they didn't see the same sky we see today. Stars are not fixed in space, and 100 million years ago, their positions in the sky were very different from today. None of the imagined patterns we see, like Orion or the Plough, were there for the dinosaurs to see. Our cosmic neighbourhood has changed quite a bit from the time of the dinosaurs, and the grand story of the cosmos continues on. It all started 13,796,000,000 years ago with what we call the Big Bang. The birth of our universe was an explosion of time and space which brought about the whole of the cosmos. We don't know whether there was anything before the Big Bang, nor why it happened at the time and in the way it did. We don't even know whether those are the right questions to ask. We do know that the universe grew immensely in just a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a second, from a billionth of the size of an atom to the size of a whole galaxy. Then the strange and unknown source of this superfast expansion disappeared. From that moment on, we can chart the history of the universe with great confidence. In just 3 minutes, the very lightest elements, hydrogen and helium, were cooked in the primordial oven that was the very early universe. The early universe was so hot and so dense and so full of energy that light couldn't even travel straight. The universe looked a bit like the interior of the sun, a huge expanse of hot, luminous gas, and very bright. As the cosmos continued to grow, it cooled down until 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the temperature was only 3,000 degrees. Cool enough for the universe to become transparent, and for the very first time, dark. Special telescopes and satellites can detect the light from the early universe, telling us the story of what has happened since the Big Bang. It took another 500 million years before the first stars were born, and then the first galaxies, and another 7 billion years until the Sun, the Earth, and the other planets were formed from a swirling cloud of gas. The Moon would have appeared bigger and brighter than it does to us today. The Moon was closer to Earth and has been slowly moving away ever since. But the most astonishing discovery is that there is more stuff in the universe than we can see. Most of the cosmos is dark and invisible to our scientific instruments, so far. This dark matter and dark energy make up 95% of the universe, but we still don't know what they're made of. The stuff we can see in the universe is made of atoms, which make up human beings, planets, galaxies, and even space rocks called asteroids. Today, scientists look out for asteroids approaching Earth to alert us of danger. The destiny of humankind might depend on it, just like the fate of the dinosaurs once did. One explanation of how the dinosaurs died out is that a huge asteroid hit the Earth 65 million years ago. The impact threw up so much dust that the sun was obscured. In the colder climate, the plants died, and soon the dinosaurs did too. At the same time, there were massive volcanic eruptions in India that scientists believed also contributed to the dinosaurs' demise. Perhaps the dinosaurs watched their death arriving from above in a spectacular light show whose momentous significance they couldn't understand.